Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is a portfolio that you haven't seen before. Well, you might have seen a preview of it, but I just started this one this week, and this is because I've been preaching in my beginner's guide to investing to buy these particular funds as a beginning portfolio. Now, I'm not telling you to do it because I'm not a stock advisor and I cannot tell you what to purchase. But what I did advise is that if I were to begin investing again, this is how I would do it. If I didn't have any knowledge in the stock market and I didn't want to learn all the investing things and try to beat the market and the whole works, this is how I would invest. So instead of just telling you that, I decided to put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to invest in the beginner portfolio that I suggest. So as you can see, I created a portfolio with 4 ETFs, and they are all Vanguard ETFs because they're all low expense ratios. I have the VOO, which I'm sure most of you are familiar with unless you're absolutely new. That is the VOO, or Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It just tracks the S&P 500. I have the VO, which is the Vanguard Mid Cap, so medium-sized companies. I have VB for the small cap companies, and then I have some diversification into bonds for the total stock market, or the total bond market. And so I have these weighted as 50% in the S&P 500, 25% in the medium-sized, and 15% into small companies, with another 10% into bonds. So that is this portfolio, and this is the best beginner portfolio. I call it the best beginner portfolio because it's the best beginner portfolio that I feel people should start with. It does not mean it's actually the best. Alright, so activity-wise, I did only deposit $100 into this, and this week I also made the decision to pause all of my taxable accounts and not deposit any more into them until my credit card is paid off. So I won't be depositing any more into this for the next month or two probably. But for now, we've deposited $100 into this, and we are currently at 101.74, which means we're up by 1.74%. And there's only been 3 trading days on this. Of course, there is no dividend changes because I haven't done anything. I obviously haven't sold anything. I've only bought the $100 worth of it. So, yeah. Yearly dividends, I'm in the green on all 4 positions. I only threw $100 in. This is going to give me $2.11 per year in dividends, or 18 cents per month at the moment. Give me an overall return of 2.11% in dividends. And yeah, that's this portfolio. This is the portfolio I suggest for beginners who are new to the stock market and don't really know anything about investing. And so I'm putting my money where my mouth is and showing you I'm willing to invest in them as well. So anyways, this should be an interesting track just to see how it does. And yeah, it should do fine. All right, guys, that's all I really got for this one. Have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.